Good morning, Woodlands Wildcats, teachers and guests. My name is Zoe. Welcome to our Friday morning assembly. We hope you will make today the best day of all. Please stand for the presentation of the year.
My name is Easton. Help us show honor and respect to our country by singing the Pledge of Allegiance. Sing pledge.
Hi, my name is Melee. Let us honor our great state of Oklahoma. Salute pledge.
Hi, my name is Cadence. Please join us in singing our patriotic song of the month.
Hi, my name is Marley. As we say our Woodlands creed together, we do so because Hi, my name is Kendall. Please join us in a minute of silence as we pause and plan to make today the best day of all. Thank you. Hi, my name is River. The lunch menu for today is cheese pizza, glazed carrots, corn, dried apple, pineapple. Thank you, and may be seated.
Choices he made. We'll get it later.
All right. Do we have a member or members of the foundation here this morning? Cool. Okay. We're flexible. All right, let's go ahead and do our weekly awards then. So it's going to be a little trickier because you guys are up in the bleachers And so we're going to have to be kind of real careful and creative. So we're going to start with the Tiptoe Award. All right, so Winston is all ready to hand out our Tiptoe Award. So remember, our Tiptoe Award goes to the class that was caught following all of our hallway procedures when they were out moving around in the building. So today, it's going to go to a primary class. And out of the primary classes, I am looking at a kindergarten class. And from kindergarten, the class that I caught doing all the right things in the hallway is Miss Lamas's class. So I do believe, Miss Lamas, this is a two-peat for you guys, right? So they had the Tiptoe Award last week, and they are keeping it again for this week. So congratulations, Mrs. Lamas's group. All right, next we have the Golden Lunch Tray Award. So remember, our Golden Lunch Tray Award goes to the class who was demonstrating all the appropriate procedures while they were in the cafeteria this week. And Mrs. Bales lets me know every Friday morning who she's caught this week. So this week, the class she caught is in the primary grades. Now, those intermediate classes, you're going to step up your game next week. And out of our primary grades, it is a first grade class. And out of the two first grade classes, Mrs. Bales is awarding it to Mrs. Lively. So Miss Peterson, you have a kiddo to come down? Yeah, this is tricky on the bleachers. We'll get it. Thank you for being safe. All right, congratulations to Mrs. Lively's class. Okay, so we have one left. And this is the Spirit Award. So teachers, it's going to be a little extra challenging to count your numbers today, okay?
Hey,
Go ahead.
you guys can sit. I'm just looking at the back. Call them what you got. You got double. I'm going to count you at 2.
Teachers, give me a signal if you need a couple more seconds. No, she's mathing. She's still mathing. All right, so remember, in the bleachers, we're going to have to stand pretty carefully around all of our friends so that we don't bump into somebody, okay? So if your class is 50% or better or higher, please stand. All right. You may stay standing if you're at 60% or higher. 70. If you're not sure, look to your teacher and they will signal when it's time for you to sit. 80.
We have right at 80.
90. Okay, I think the only class we have left standing is Mrs. Sharp.
We won it for the day outside.
Okay, so they are keeping the Spirit Trophy for 2 weeks in a row. Oh, you had it? Second grade had it. Oh, 2 weeks ago. Okay. You took a break. You shared the love. Thank you, second grade, for telling me. We want to make sure we're keeping it real. Okay. So Mrs. Jondo has a couple of things before we dismiss. We will dismiss differently today, okay? So we're gonna start in one spot and dismiss one class at a time, which I know is how we usually do it, but we want to do it a little more slowly today so that nobody gets hurt coming off the bleachers.
Thank you, Mrs. Reed. Hey guys, I just want to say, again, you look fantastic. And I think your behavior in the bleachers has been amazing today. But when you sang that national anthem, I'm not kidding you, no joking, I got chills. You guys sounded wonderful. So please do that, continue, sing it from your heart. You know, you guys did a wonderful job. So I just want to thank you for that. Like I said, Miss Ream said she's going to dismiss you in a moment.
All right, we're going to start at this end. So the fourth grade classes, it looks like Mrs. Halls is in the front.
Sir, get out of there. We will get it in a...
Oh, we didn't do the fight song. Share with you all. So remember on Fridays we are used to having our football boys here on a home game. Well, they weren't here today because their game was last night and it was away. And it was the first playoff game, right? No, not a playoff game. But they won 47-6. That is amazing. So if you know any of those football boys, tell them congratulations this weekend.